guys, you got Easton here at Inverter Service Center, and I'm here with the new project. This is a GMC 2500, and we're installing an inverter system on it. The Smart Topper is really good for camping and off-roading. I mean, these packages you can buy, they come with stoves, and you can buy different packages with all kinds of things inside of them. You can't buy them with inverters and batteries in them, but you could definitely bring them to us and we can install them. These SmartCaps, they're rugged enough that you can actually put solar on here. They're gonna get a roof rack put on, and we'll install the solar panels on top of there, and that'll make it so the battery can charge without even moving the vehicle at all. So this was a fairly difficult install to install. I mean, this whole box right here, it comes out. There's bolts right here that you take out, and we put it on the table, install it on the table, and then we have to mount it back into this particular spot. So, I mean, just getting it moved out, in and out of the truck without messing anything up, that's one of the difficult parts of doing an install like this. So what we have here is a Victron 1000 watt inverter, and we have that hooked up to a 300 amp hour EPIC battery, and the customer asked for these DC outlets. We put these DC outlets in here with a readout on it. We have a nice touch screen here that controls the whole system, brings everything together. We have our charge controller that brings in our solar, yet charges our batteries, and we also have a DC to DC that takes power from the alternator, and it charges our batteries also while you're going down the road. We also have the power to plug our truck in. This turns our inverter into a charger as well. If you want to charge up your batteries even faster, it goes off of that 120 volt right there. So if you have a project like this, this big tall truck, if you're a taller guy and you need something that you can just get on here. If you want any projects done like this, or you need any help, you just give us a call with the number below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll do anything you need us to do.